What's up guys, we're back with some crazy news. Samsung is about to give the best thing about a Note phone to yet another Galaxy flagship device. According to Let's Go Digital, Samsung just officially filed a trademark for Z Flip with S Pen support. This means that the next Galaxy Z Flip 4 in 2022 will have S Pen support, making it the fourth flagship device to have the S Pen support along with the S22 Ultra, Galaxy Fold 3/Fold 4 and the upcoming trifold Galaxy Fold S. Now if you look at the current Galaxy Z Flip design, how different is it compared to a Note phone? Samsung can definitely make more of a boxy Z Flip 4 with an underskin camera and even slimmer bezels that would actually look like a Note phone. Now since Samsung is giving S Pen to so many different flagship devices, do you think they would make a Note 22 Ultra later on just to give people a built-in S Pen? That's a question for you guys, but in my opinion, I don't see much of a point in that. What does make sense for a Galaxy Note phone is something beyond what Samsung has done already, like a rollable screen or perhaps something different like better specs compared to the S22 Ultra so that it makes sense for people to buy a Note phone. So Samsung's decision of expanding the S Pen to more Galaxy devices is not a very good sign for a separate Note phone. Again, like I said, for a Note phone to get back its mystique, it has to offer something entirely different and something beyond what Samsung hasn't done already. Samsung is already working on a rollable display for smartphone along with a trifold display for the next Galaxy Fold S. 2022 will be a mad year for crazy hardware innovation. As DJ Ko said that the Note will return, I really hope that it returns with something amazing. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung is about to shock everyone with the pricing of the current Galaxy Z Flip 3. According to the current news, the Z Flip 3 with 5G is going to be remarkably cheaper than the previous two Galaxy Z Flip models. Unlike last year's $1,300 4G Z Flip and then later on $1,400 Z Flip 5G, the Z Flip 3 might get launched for a price point of $1,000 to $1,100. That is indeed a massive reduction in price. This might actually happen because as we have seen, Samsung, they have reduced the price of the S21 lineup. Galaxy S20 Ultra costs $1,199, which is a lot cheaper compared to $1,400 from last year's flagship model. Same price reduction strategy can be applied for the next Z Flip 3. This will make the Galaxy Z Flip 3 the cheapest new foldable phone of 2021. Now last but not the least, as we know this already and now it's further confirmed, Samsung is indeed making the 120Hz refresh rate possible for the upcoming iPhone 13 series. According to Korean media, Samsung is shipping their rigid flexible printed circuit boards for the two Pro iPhone models. This is once again a sign that the 120Hz refresh rate is only coming to the Pro iPhone 13 models, not the non-Pro ones. And these displays will have LTPO technology, giving Apple the ability to optimize according to their taste. I'm excited for the iPhone 13 lineup, and of course I'm getting even more excited for 2022. That's all for today. Let me know what you think about Samsung's decision of giving the S Pen the mystique of a Note series to more of its Galaxy flagship devices. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.